Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring Windows 11 hears clearly. First, set your microphone as the default device and confirm 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ for best accuracy. Once done, choose between Windows Voice Recorder, an app with lossless export, or your preferred third-party recorder. Record a short 10-30-second test to check levels and background noise. Make sure to speak at normal volume and distance. This reduces clipping and improves later transcription quality. Now you move the audio into a transcription tool. If you prefer local options, open Windows Voice Typing for live dictation or Microsoft Word's Transcribe to upload a recording. Otherwise, export your file as WAV or MP3 and upload to a cloud-based service. You'll select the correct language and enable speaker labels if needed, because that helps segment speakers. Once started, monitor progress and be patient. Long files take longer to process, and higher quality settings finish by cleaning the text. Listen while you edit punctuation, correct misheard words, and assign speaker names or timestamps where useful. Then export the final file as TXT, DocX, or SRT depending on your needs, and save both transcript and original audio in a backup location. If the result is inaccurate, try one key troubleshooting step. Improve the audio, reduce noise, use a better mic, or re-record short sections. Then reprocess with a different engine or higher quality setting to compare results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.